Culture definition, culture in a sentence, culture pronunciation, culture meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of culture. Culture. Cul-ture. Culture. Culture as a noun means the shared customs, arts, and social institutions of a group of people. Common usages in academic writing: popular culture, modern culture, Western culture, Eastern culture. Example sentence: culture, noun. Throughout the pandemic, the individualistic mentality of Western cultures has been on full display. The common academic writing variation is cultural, adjective. Dining room table etiquette is a significant cultural aspect of many Japanese homes. Please write a sentence using culture in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use culture confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.